In front of me is Cubot Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Settings and selecting Apps. Then scroll all the way down and click on Para-L app at the very bottom. Now click on Gray Sweater next to one of your apps that you wish to clone and wait. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and tap on No Blue Sweater. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!